Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Far, and we have going to discuss a very important limit question here. That is limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x upon x square. Now we have to multiply the conjugate of 1 minus cos x. Always remember that this point is students, when we have to apply the direct limit there and the denominator is 0, that means we have to simplify the question before applying the limit. So here if we have to apply the limit directly, so their denominator becomes 0. So that is why we have to simplify the question. This is 1 minus cos x and we have to take out its conjugate. So this is 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. So this is here x tends to 0, a minus b, a plus b, it will be equals to a square minus b square. Into x square times 1 plus cos x. This is a minus b, a plus b, it will be equals to a square minus b square. So limit x tends to 0. So this is 1 minus cos square x divided by x square into 1 plus cos x. We know that 1 minus cos square x, it is equals to sin square x. So this is sin square x over x square 1 plus cos x. Because 1 minus cos square x, it is equals to sin square x. So now we can arrange this question here. This is x tends to 0. This is sin square x over x square multiplied by 1 plus cos x. We have to arrange this. Because sin x upon x, it becomes the sandwich theorem there, and that is equals to 1. So we can write down here limit x tends to 0. This is sin x over x, and we can write down with the whole power. And this is here limit x tends to 0, 1 over 1 plus cos x. So this becomes the sandwich theorem here, so it is equals to 1, and here we have to apply the limit x tends to 0. So this is 1 plus cos 0, and we know that cos 0 is 1, so this is the 1 plus 2. It is the answer of this question. Now come to the next question here. This is limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. So here again, if we have to apply the limit directly there, so the denominator is sin theta. So when we have to apply the limit theta tends to 0, so sin 0 will be 0. If the denominator is 0, that means the result is infinity, and that means we have to simplify the question. So this is 1 minus cos theta over sin theta. Take out its conjugate here. This is 1 minus cos theta, so it will be equals to 1 plus cos theta, and multiply and divide it. So here limit theta tends to 0. This is a minus b, a plus b, it will be equals to a square minus b square, and denominator remain same. So here limit theta tends to 0. So this is 1 minus cos square theta over sin theta, and this is 1 plus cos theta remains same. Again we have to formula 1 minus cos square theta, that is equals to sin square theta. sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta, it is equal to sine square theta. So one factor will cancel out in the numerator with the one factor. So this is here sine theta over 1 plus cos theta. Now we are able to apply the limit here. Applying limit. So applying limit means we have to put the value of theta, it is equal to 0 in numerator as well as in the denominator. And we know that sine 0 is 0, numerator can be 0, and cos 0 is 1. So this is 0 upon 2 and the result is 0. So the answer of this question is 0. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel, Math with Yasir Fad. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.